So ever since the world is hit by COVID-19 virus, I seldomly drive this car. Okay, so previously the oxygen sensor, the trouble with oxygen sensor, and then now just recently, just yesterday, I found out that the winker or the signal, the turn signal, okay, going to the right is fine, but going to the left, the tempo is wrong. Tempo is not usual, and the light doesn't even come out. So I suspect the flasher relay is broken. So I think I want to replace that. Okay, and if I search the sound, it is coming from down here. Okay, down here. So I have to remove this cover by starting with removing this cover first, and then this cover, including that bolts. Okay. And similarly, if I try the hazard lamp, okay, only the left side is working. Nothing from the right side. So I will try to replace the flasher relay. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, after I realized that I don't have to remove all this panel. Actually, those were not necessary because the relay is down. SCC down here, but the problem is there's not so much room for me to access the relay. So it will be difficult, but I want to try. After about 30 minutes traveling down this one, I finally managed to look this one really out. This is a new one. I think the new one looks cheap because I bought it cheap. This is the original one. So let's put the new one. So this is the socket. Okay. That is the socket. So put the new relay into the socket. I cannot feel it. Too tight down here. The moment of truth. rhythm is lower than the original. So don't buy the cheap one.